Welcome to hCare, where health management is just a tap away. Through SSO, we made login convenient. If you haven't downloaded the hCare app, download it now from the App Store or Google Play Store. Without further ado, let's help you with the process of sign-in with SSO. Open the hCare app on your mobile phone. Navigate to Single Sign-On. A list of organizations will appear. Select your organization from the list. Sign in using your official email ID and password. Verify your identity via either text or a call. Provide additional details such as address, mobile number, date of birth, profile picture. Now your account has been successfully registered. We hope this guide makes your experience simple and clear. We're here to help you every step of the way.